Hey guys, my name is Nurit and welcome to my channel. I've just seen a video in one of my favorite sewing channel, Mimi G. I'll link her below. She made a face mask and she gave us a pattern. So I was inspired and I'm going to make a face mask, but I'm going to make it fancy. I have this lovely sparkly gray fabric and I have this black for the inner layer, and I have only one strip of elastic, black elastic, but it's kind of wide, so I'm thinking maybe I'll cut it in half and serge it. You think it will work? I don't know. Let's see if it works. And so let's get started.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah.
I cut the elastic in half and I serged it, and it actually looks pretty good, like lace. I don't know if you can see it. It looks like lace. It kind of looks like lace. So all I have to do now is insert it inside these side seams and put on the mask.
Heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah.
That's it. Let's try it on. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and I'll see you next week.